What's up, guys? This is Virgil with Being Boo Now. It sounds like Boo Now, not later. In this video, we are about to make some ramen. This pack of ramen comes with 2 packs of noodles, 2 packs of dry ingredients, and 2 packs of wet ingredients. Let's go ahead and boil the water and get started. You want to boil it for about 3 minutes. Add the dry ingredients. Add the wet ingredients. Add a tablespoon of butter. The butter will allow the broth to thicken a little bit and add a little bit more flavor. You want to add about 2 to 3 ounces of chicken. You want to cut the chicken. It's all up to you how big you want the chicken. For me, I like cutting it really tiny in cubes. Now you add the chicken to the broth. Next, add the spinach. Then add any other vegetables you want to add. In my case, I'm going to add a little bit of green beans, about 1 ounce to 2 ounces. Stir it occasionally and let it boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. I usually boil the egg for about 5.5 minutes and then put them in the ice bath so the egg doesn't keep on cooking, so we can have that nice soft boiled egg. If you need a specific video how to have the perfect soft boiled eggs, click on the link below. So when you buy these seaweed sheets, most of the time they will be full-size seaweed sheets like these. So I cut them into 4 different parts. One thing I love about these seaweed sheets is you can just eat them like that, or you can have fish, rice, shrimp, some vegetables. But most of the time, my kids, they just like to snack on these. Now let's go get our ramen. Now, here's our ramen. Ta-da! Instant ramen with chicken, soft-boiled eggs, and some veggies. Let's try it. This is by far one of the best ramen I've ever had. So if you're interested in buying this ramen, there will be a link below. You can buy them on Amazon. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go and eat this ramen for lunch. And I would love to make more videos like this for you. So if you like this video, make sure you like this video, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment below what you would like to see in the future, and we'll see you the next time. Peace. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.